Now, one of the things about the Bitcoin ETF that people are not talking about is that the Bitcoin ETF is going to use the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or CME's, Bitcoin futures contract. So this Bitcoin contract that only trades in the American time zone just became as important as it did when it first started trading in 2017. So from a technical analysis point of view, it matters. Now, obviously, as you can see, the contract is sort of pushing at this resistance zone near 64,000. Will it be able to break through? We'll see, but it's an object in motion. Okay, you want to be careful of Bitcoin about getting too bearish when it's an object in motion, at least for maybe the next couple of days. Now, Ether. Yes, we have not forgotten about Ethereum. Ethereum has been seemingly, I don't know, ignored. It's almost like people are blowing it off. I'm seeing a point at 38.51, whereas Ethereum can punch through that. I think not only Ethereum can catch up to Bitcoin, but I think Polkadot can go with it. More on that later. ETH, the Ethereum Trust, traded in the equity market. Now, it's like GBTC, except for Ethereum. Check this out. Every time the seasons switch, it seems like there's a dip and then there's a rally in ETH. The rallies vary in their size, going all the way back to December. But I'm starting to wonder, with everyone talking about Bitcoin, whether or not it's time for an Ethereum catch-up move. As a matter of fact, it was really interesting in our pre-production. Forrest actually brought this up, and I was immediately able to whip out these couple charts about Ethereum that it seems like everyone's forgotten about it, and it doesn't make any sense. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin right now is unfortunately getting hammered, right? Because Bitcoin is doing okay. Ethereum was down 3% at one point. So it's pressing through the bottom of a triangle. And who knows, it might go from 0.062 to 0.055. That's theoretically possible. What's also possible is that Ethereum breaks through the bottom of the trend line, breaks through the bottom of the triangle rather, fakes everyone out, then comes back in. Really interested to see if there's an Ethereum catch-up move in, say, the next 2 or 3 days. If there is, and Ethereum takes out, say, 3,900, you can have more confidence that Ethereum is going to do what Bitcoin did, which is basically just move back to its highs, right? The other thing about Ethereum that, Forrest and I discussed is that Ethereum is coming off of exchanges. And we're also seeing that the Ethereum staking pool for the eventual move to ETH 2.0 is growing. So whether the ETH is being burned or whether it's going into the staking pool, slowly but surely, the supply of ETH is shrinking. So this goes back to an old live stream theory of don't sell your crypto to institutions. As Ian Belita just talked about the smart money, they're probably sitting down here waiting for people to give up on Ethereum after watching Bitcoin do what it's done.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.